In today's video, I'll teach you how you can calculate your real Etsy profit. In the early years when I started print on demand selling on Etsy, it was a bit dicey for me because I was making income, I was getting revenue, but at the end of the day, I wasn't really making profit because I didn't know my mathematics, I didn't know my accounting. But over the years, I've been able to come up with this template over here, which is here on my screen, that helps you calculate your true profit on Etsy. Now, one thing you need to know about Etsy compared to other print on demand platform is that Etsy is a business, it's a manual business. So with a business, if you make a wrong decision, then you may be out of business for a very long time. Like in my case, I wasn't on Etsy for over 2 years. The reason was because of poor financial decisions. And if you make poor financial decisions with Etsy and you get in debt and you are unable to repay your Etsy fees or your monthly Etsy debt, then that means your account is going to get suspended and you're going to lose your selling rights, and you're going to lose your store. So this video is very, very important so that you know how to calculate what is coming in and what is coming out, what is going out, so that you don't finance your Etsy store with revenue or income from other sources. If you're someone who sells in other platforms, for instance, so that you don't finance your Etsy store based off earnings from other print on demand platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, in order to use the template, you have to follow your numbers. You have to really follow your numbers. So I'm going to be doing I'm going to be giving you a live example of what I mean. So let's say, for instance, you come over to your PayPal account and let's say you just made a sale on Etsy and you get paid. For instance, you see I got paid $24.3 in revenue, plus shipping, everything together. Everything that went into my PayPal was $24.3. Now what you want to do is you want to come here and under this retail price you want to put 24.3 and click enter. So that's that. Now the next thing you want to do is put your cost price. Your cost price is the price which you use to fulfill the item. So if you use Printful, you're gonna see the automatic debit on your account statement. So let's say your Printful is linked with your PayPal account, like in my case over here. You're going to be getting the debit on your account statement. If it is in your card, you're going to be getting the debit on your card. So in this case, this is your cost price. This is the price required for you to fulfill the item. So what you want to do is still come over to the template and put it. So in this case, 13.94. Now that is not all. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to under this total debt, what you want to do is you want to put in your total debt your own Etsy. So for in this case, I'm going to come over here. Now this figure here is what you want to put over there. Now what this implies is for the month, because this template is a monthly template. You can see it's February, this March. Okay, so this is my February statement over here. I made a net profit of $139 on Etsy for February. For March, okay, now you want to put in the total debt. The total debt is like I told you, the total amount you're owing Etsy for that particular month so far. So what this does is it helps you watch your number as the days go by. But something else you can do is you can put that figure over here. Like in this case, I can put $75. So $75 here. It's showing that I have a negative variance. Now the reason for this is because I had not put other sales to consideration over here. But one thing I can also do here is I can also change this and just say, okay, let's say fees. Okay, then that's that. So for these fees, if I want to do for this particular sale, I want to come over here to finances and click on payment account. Then I'm going to manually sum up. When I scroll down, I'm going to manually sum up all the fees that sale accrued to me, and I'm going to manually sum it in my calculator. The transaction fee, the relisting fee, the sales tax fee, everything. I'm going to calculate it And with just a little tweak over here, let's say for instance, let's just say for instance, I put everything and it came out to like 2.81 here. So that's that. Once I put this over here, you're gonna see that this is my net profit for that particular sale. Okay, if I take this off, the profit is gonna increase. If I put in the refill, you're gonna see the net profit. So guys, this is the real profit. So you don't, think revenue is income. Revenue is not income. If I take off the fees, for instance, if I remove these fees and I remove the cost price, you can see that I will be think my income is $24, but when everything trickles down, it reduces to $77. Okay, so you want to keep your eyes on your numbers when selling on Etsy, so as not to get in debt or make wrong decisions and lose your account. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want this template, use the link in the description and you're gonna be getting the template. Peace and God bless.